Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Leos. For your daily reading, Leos, we will be picking few cards, guys, for your career situation and relationship. I'll be picking few more cards. So these are for your daily reading, Leos, for your career situation and your relationship. I'll be picking more cards from this deck, so these are for your relationship and these are for your career situation, guys. And one card from the angel guidance deck. So I will open that card at last. That is the general guidance. So let's start with the daily reading first, guys, Leos. So for your daily reading, it's seven of spheres, seven of suns in reverse, and the burning tower. Leos, with these cards, the energy is that these cards may relate to your career situation or personal life situation, guys. So you don't know which way to go, some kind of doubts or confusions maybe, and you may be quite anxious about some path, or it may be something to do in your career, some career choices or path you need to take up, and you are not clear which way to go, and you have doubts in your mind and you are confused about some things, guys. And for some of you it may be something to do in your personal life, guys, and in your career you are having good opportunities. Things are going towards that positive prosperity, abundance, and fortunate changes coming your way. And maybe for some of you, you are just taking a break, maybe a holiday, or you want to take a break or a holiday from your busy schedule, and you maybe for some of you, you just want to spend time with this person, enjoy the happy moments with them, or it may be for some of you, you just want to run away from these responsibilities. And maybe sometimes the way you do things, that perfect way of doing things, that may hamper your progress today, guys. So you have to you have to change the way you approach your situation, Leos. And for some of you, there are certain changes or shocking changes coming in your life today, guys. Maybe you have to be ready for that. It may be something to do with your career situation or in your personal life. It may be something out of control, quite painful for you, but that pain and disorder is necessary to allow that freshness in life, or that new opportunities to come in your life today, guys. So you are breaking out of that things what are stale or some worn out ideas, and you are progressing in a positive way today. You are healing from your past situation, guys. So maybe for some of you, you are healing from your past breakup or some negative situation in your career. So you are trying to build yourself up, having that confidence today, feeling that strength in your heart, and moving forward, accepting that those things that you cannot change, you can never change. So that is what I see with these cards for your daily energies, guys. So for your career situation, guys, It's the Empress, Apprentice of Spheres, and Pope of Stars. So for your career situation, guys, Leos, with these cards in your career situation, I see that you have a strong companion. Maybe it may be a woman in your work. Someone, it may be a team leader or your colleague, a friend. Someone is helping you and supporting you in your work, guiding you, and you are able to have that help from this person. This person is a very knowledgeable person, or it may be your energy. You are helping someone, guys. You are there for someone, guiding them. You have that concern on them and helping them out in their career situation, guys. And you are an important person in your work, and you have your strengths and talents challenged today. Something coming your way that is challenging you, but I also see that you are disciplined and you are dedicated in your work. You have that devotion in your work. So whatever dreams you have, you are working towards that. You are a very careful and attentive person in your career, and you are ready to listen and learn. So whatever, based on your past situation, you have that skill and talents today, Leos, and you are progressing in a positive way in this connection. So that is what I see, guys, with these cards. And maybe for some of you, there are few offers or opportunities coming towards you today, Leos. So that is what I see with these cards for your career situation, Leos. Let us see what are the cards for your relationship. It's 7 of Stars, Astrologer of Spheres, and Initiate of Moons in reverse. So these cards, it may be your energy, guys, or it may be your person's energy towards you. So with these cards, I see that whatever things you felt was impossible, it may be something about this connection. You would have felt that marriage is impossible with this person, or a deep meaningful connection, or maybe something which you thought is quite impossible with them. Maybe for some of you it is coming true, guys. All your dreams or your fantasies are coming true, and you are really happy for how things are going today. You share a great attraction with this person, that romance is there, intimacy is there in this connection. You have a great attraction towards them, and you feel that this is the person of your life, and you have that confidence about them, and this person also feels that you are their strength and they have confidence in you. You trust each other, and there is love in this relationship, guys. So I see that this is a positive working relationship, Leos. That is what I see with these cards, guys, for your relationship. Let us see what is the card, the angel guidance card for you all today, guys. Be tolerant. So just like the name of the card, guys, it just means that to have impartiality in our situation. So whatever our circumstances, We should not react in a knee jerk manner. We should respond appropriately, guys. Instead of that destructive kind of response, you have to go for that proper response, observing and acknowledging what is going on and contributing in a constructive way. We can turn the negative situation into a positive one by responding, not reacting. This does not mean that we have to give up our own beliefs or the sense of right and wrong. It just means that we have to understand all that situation impartially and take a stance based on that. Before taking a stance, guys, we have to understand our situation and that other person's situation also. So that is what this card is about. That is the guidance, guys, for you all today. Thank you for watching this video, Leos. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.